Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back and I hope you're all doing well. So, flu season is upon us and we've got the perfect home remedy for that stubborn cough that just won't go away. As you can see, I've started cutting my one pineapple into little circles, and after doing this we are going to cut out the peels. Put the actual contents of the pineapple aside because we are going to be using the peel of the pineapple and not the actual pineapple. Put the peels that you have just cut into a bowl and we will blend these. Put all the peels that you cut into the blender and put half a cup of water so it blends easier. You'll have to blend this for about 30 seconds until you get a nice paste that you can sieve. Place a glass under your sieve and begin to put everything that you just blend onto the sieve so you are left with just a liquid. This can be a slow process but it works. At the end, you should have almost a cup full of the syrup that you can drink at any time of the day. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.